Have you ever wondered why some businesses seem to fall flat on their faces, while others manage to flourish despite their glaring flaws? Welcome to the world where businesses turn their worst traits into their greatest assets. Consider the case of Domino's Pizza. Back in 2009, Domino's was known for its subpar pizza. The company faced a major reputation crisis, with customers comparing their pizza to cardboard. But instead of denying their shortcomings, Domino's did something unusual. They admitted their flaws and even made a public campaign about it, promising better quality. Fast forward to today, Domino's has not only improved their recipe, but also their reputation. They turned their worst trait into a promise of improvement and followed through. Similarly, let's look at Microsoft, a tech giant known for its software. In the late 90s and early 2000s, Microsoft suffered from a reputation of being a bully in the business world, using aggressive tactics to maintain its monopoly. However, under the leadership of Satya Nadella, Microsoft made a significant turnaround. They shifted from their aggressive business tactics to a more open and collaborative approach, embracing open-source software and partnerships. This transformation helped Microsoft regain its reputation and foster a more positive image in the tech industry. Now, let's shift gears to an entirely different industry, the world of fashion. Zara, a fast fashion giant, was once heavily criticized for its fast fashion model, contributing to environmental harm. Instead of ignoring these criticisms, Zara decided to embrace sustainability. They pledged to use only sustainable fabrics in their collections by 2025 and reduce their carbon footprint. They turned their worst trait, environmental harm, into a commitment towards sustainability. What do these businesses have in common? They recognized their worst traits, and instead of hiding them, they addressed them head-on. They turned their weaknesses into strengths, proving that the worst traits can indeed become the greatest assets when tackled with honesty, commitment, and innovation. To summarize, businesses can overcome their worst traits by first acknowledging their flaws. It's not about denial, but acceptance. Second, they must make a commitment to improvement. This isn't just about PR, but genuine change. Lastly, businesses should use innovation to turn their weaknesses into strengths. Like Domino's improving their pizza recipe, Microsoft embracing open-source software, and Zara committing to sustainability, businesses must find creative solutions to their problems. In the world of business, it's not about being perfect. It's about recognizing flaws and turning them around. It's about commitment, improvement, and innovation. And most importantly, it's about turning the worst traits into the greatest assets. So, the next time you wonder why some businesses fail, while others succeed, remember the stories of Domino's, Microsoft, and Zara. Remember that every business has flaws, but it's how these flaws are addressed that truly makes the difference. And with that, we conclude our exploration into how businesses can turn their worst traits into their greatest assets. Stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of business transformation.